Okay, guys, here we go. Pre-calculus, chapter 8, section 4. Section 4 should be first, and then section 3. But I think the book went out of order, which is not a good idea. But they basically put in the wrong order. Okay, so we should go over section 4 first, and then section 3. So I'm going to do that. Okay, here's section 4. Section 4, we're going to determine what's called the determinants of a square matrix. Okay, square meaning they have the same size. 2 rows, 2 columns, or 3 rows, 3 columns. So determinants can only be discovered on squares. So you can't find a determinant of a 2 by 3, a 1 by 7. You can't find a determinant of anything that is not a square. It has to be a 2 by 2, a 3 by 3. You could do it by 4 by 4, but it's kind of complicated. So we won't get into that. Only 2 by 2s and 3 by 3s. Okay, so determinant is DET, or they use this absolute value bar. Okay, there's no such thing as an absolute value of a matrix, so they borrow that symbol. So when you see this, don't say absolute value of A. There's no such thing as an absolute value of a matrix. They just use this symbol. It means determinant. Okay, so don't mistake it for an absolute value. All right, so this right here, the straight bars of A, means determinant of A. The determinant of a 2 by 2. Okay. For example, let's say you have A, B, C, and D. These are your elements. Then you want to do A times D. You want to take the diagonals. Okay. A times D. And you always minus the other diagonal, B times C. That's really simple. Okay. Now, 3 by 3 3 by 3 is a little bit more complicated. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to take your 3 by 3 matrix, you want to rewrite the first and second column again, and then we're going to go draw a diagonal line, then another diagonal line going down to the right and down to the right. So when we go down to the right, we're going to multiply. Down to the right, we're going to multiply the 3 numbers. Down to the right, we'll multiply 3 numbers. At the end, we add all of those. And then we could do it again. Up to the right, multiply the 3 numbers. Up to the right, multiply 3 numbers. Up to the right, multiply the 3 numbers. Add all of them together. And then we're going to take the results of each, the total of down right. We're going to minus the total of the upright. And then at the end, we want to use this idea of determinants to find solutions to systems equations using what's called Cramer's rule. Okay, so we'll go over that Cramer's rule. So we'll do some examples, some easy ones of 2 by 2s first. Okay, and then we'll go over 3 by 3s. So some easy examples. Let's say, for example, A is this guy here, 0, -2, 8, -6. Here's a matrix A. So if I want this, see that symbol? That means determinant, okay? Determinant of A. Determinant of A, okay? So it's written like this. It's written as 0, -2, 8, -6, like that. Okay, so A is 0 times D, -6. And we're gonna subtract B times C. That's it. So 0 minus -16. Remember, we're always gonna minus right here. Okay, whatever the result happens to be. So 0 minus -16, we're looking at 16. That's it. Very simple. So again, let's do another one. Again, I'm just going to use this straight line here. Straight line means determinant. 3, -1, like that. Okay, so A is 8, D is -1. That's -8. We're always going to minus, so minus B, -9, times 3. So minus -27. -8 minus -27, we're looking at 19. So your answer, the determinant of this matrix, is going to be 19. Okay, 2 more examples. Okay, here we go. Maybe you can do this on your own. Pause this and see if you can do this on your own. 2, 7, 1, negative 9. Okay, 2 times negative 9 minus, okay, 7 times 1. So negative 18 minus 7. Look at that, negative 25. Good job on that, if you're able to follow along. And then last one, determinant of 2, 8, 4, negative 5. Okay, again, the diagonal is going to be 2 times the other diagonal, negative 5. You always want to go down right first and then up right. Down to the right, up to the right. So minus 4 times 8. So negative 10 minus 32, negative 42. There you go. All right. So that's it for 2 by 2s. Very simple. Okay. All right. Now 3 by 3s, a little bit more complicated than that. So we can do a couple examples. All right. Let's check it out. 3 by 3s. Okay. Here we go. Again, this bar means absolute value. Nope. Means determinant. Okay. So 5, determinant of 5, 3, negative 1, 6, 4, 8, 0, negative 3, and 7. Okay, so here's my original 3 by 3, right? So the rule says rewrite the first and second column. In other words, just copy the first column over. First column is 5, 6, 0. Second column is 3, 4, negative 3. Okay, so now go down right. So what I mean by that is take your pencil, go down to the right like this. See that? See those 3 numbers, my down right touches? Okay, it's going to be 5 times 4 times 7. Okay, that's going to be 140. Again, down to the right. 3, 8, and 0. We're going to add 3, 8, and 0, 0. Okay, down to the right right here. We're looking at negative 1, 6, and negative 3. Negative 1, 6, and negative 3 is 18. Okay, so the grand total of down, down, down is 158. And we're going to do it again. Okay, we're going to do it again. But in this case, we're going to go up. Okay, let's go up. We have 0 times 4 times negative 1. That's 0. When we go up, we're going to multiply these and then add them together. Negative 3, 8, 5. Negative 3 times 8 times 5 is negative 120. Okay, and then going up. 7, 6, 3. Okay, 7, 6, and 3. That's 42, 126, 126. Okay, so now add these together, you get 6. Okay, so your final answer is you're going to take these 2 results and you're going to subtract them. You always subtract these 2 results. Downright 158 minus upright 6. Okay, so your final answer, your determinant is going to be 152. Final answer. Okay, that's easy. Not too bad. Not too bad. Okay, so let's do another example here. Another example. 2, 7, 1, 1, 0, 4, and negative 3, 8, 5. Determinant. Okay. All right. Copy the first column. 1, negative 3. Copy the second column. And here we go. We're going to copy those. Okay. Going down here, we have 2, 0, and 5. Multiply all those together, you get 0. Okay. Going down, we get 7, 4, negative 3. Multiplying these, you get negative 84. Okay, going down is 1, 1, 8. 118 is 8. So now what I need you to do is add these. When you add these, you get negative 76. Good. Negative 76. Okay, so now we're going to go up. We're going to go up, okay? So negative 3, 0, 1, 0. We're going to add, going to up again, 8, 4, and 2. That's going to be 64. We're going up one more time. 5, 1, and 7. 35. So here, this grand total is 99. And so our final answer for the determinant is we take negative 76, we minus this, okay, 99. We always minus, okay? So we get a grand total of determinant negative 175. Final answer right there. All right, so hopefully you're able to do that. Learning how to do determinants is going to be very helpful for you when you solve 3x3 equations, okay, which I'll do in my next example. Okay, look for the next video. All right, bye-bye.